Alright guys, here we are with another unbox. Today we've got another Awaretech product. This is the ZIR32. It's another little black box recorder. This one has automatic day-night switching as well. So there's a lot of cool stuff you can do with this one. We're going to go ahead, open the box and we'll get into it. Pretty handy if you're trying to keep an eye on a car, maybe in an underground car park or in your garage or something like that and you're worried about it. This little guy could hide on the parcel shelf at the back of the car and capture a ton of stuff. So inside the box we have a little micro USB charging cable. We have our instruction manual. We also have our camera. So it's just this little guy. Get in there. Just this little guy here. So you've got a heat sensor, a motion sensor in the actual camera lens itself, and then you've got your micro SD card slot, power on off, and you've also got your 3 different switches. So they allow you to switch between heat sensitive, motion activated, or a bunch of custom settings that you can alter on the software that you can use on the PC, and there's a ton of stuff you can do with that. Also in the box you do also get your wall charger in there. What I'll get you guys to do now is jump over this side, we'll put the micro SD card in it, I'll show you how to turn it on and get it all activated, and then we'll go over to the PC and introduce you to the software and show you what it can do. So like I said before, lens is just there, microphone, motion sensor, heat sensor, and then if we turn the unit just to its side, we've got our micro SD card slot and our power button. So we're going to go ahead and insert our micro SD card, again with the words facing down towards the little sticker. So again we want to install our memory card with the words facing up this time, so sticker there, words facing away from the sticker. Just push it in until it clicks, just like that. Press this button here for about 2 seconds. Little green light comes on, then it should start flashing. And we're away. So at the moment I've got it set up on heat sensitive, so you've got heat, motion, and then you've custom settings. I'll give you guys some test footage with this first, and then we'll zip over to the PC and I'll show you the amount of customization that you have, and all the things that you can do with the Zeta cams and the included software. Alright guys, so here we are with our little Zeta widget. This is the little app used to control the ZIR16 and the ZIR32. Do make sure you've got your micro SD card in the unit and that it's plugged into the computer before you go and open the app. Upon opening it you'll see date and time and you can adjust that if you want it to. If you go to settings, we've got a bunch of different options you've got. So you could put the unit in a car and it would trigger through the lighter socket on a bunch of different options. You've also got body heat trigger, motion or voice activated trigger, ultra long recording, which I'm assuming is going to drop the resolution, and then if you're handy with wiring, there's a couple of sensors that you can hook up to it if you want to. You can also schedule it for a specific time, so if we go there and we go edit, you can choose there what you want to have on and you can assign it a specific task as far as a trigger and all the rest of it. So pretty handy little option to have. I'm just going to set it back to body heat trigger for now. Set it in custom mode and there's nothing in there, so we'll save that. Then if I open up the drive, you've got all those settings that you've saved in there.